This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable coffee stirrers, specifically these wood coffee stirrers. We have a few different style options. There is the 7-inch square top, the 6-inch natural wood, which features a round top, and the 6-inch bamboo paddle, which features this nice little oar-shaped paddle at the top. They're made from sustainably sourced bamboo for an eco-friendly and disposable drink stirring option that's also biodegradable. They feature a variety of designs and lengths for those little top handles. They're great for gripping and stirring. They're suitable for both hot or cold iced beverages, and they're made from break-resistant materials to keep them from splintering or breaking in use. The multiple lengths are great for suiting a variety of different cup sizes, and they're perfect for any commercial food establishment with a coffee service. They're great for stocking self-serve areas for your customers, or including with to-go orders, or just for stocking your office break room.